How you doing? So I'm out riding the bicycle today, Florence, Kentucky. The weather feels somewhat comfortable today. It's not too hot yet, I don't think. Just out riding around in Florence, Kentucky. Someone playing Green Day in their garage today, enjoying the weather. Trying to go faster. Can't go much faster though. Gonna try to go a little faster here. Gonna try to cross the street in a moment. So I'm wanting to go along with traffic instead of against it here. Or whatever the rule of the matter is. Just I'm gonna wait for a second. Don't want to get hit in the road by some idiot person who ain't paying attention to those of us who don't have a motor vehicle. Like funeral home. gonna turn around right here and see if I can cross the road here at some point to get where I'm going. Going to Walgreens, by the way. Pick something up. Trying to get across the road here. It doesn't seem like it's gonna happen. Oh yeah, it's gonna happen right now. Let's go. Get across this road. Up onto the sidewalk here. Watch out, all pedestrians. Anthony's coming through. Beep beep. Oh yeah, picking up some speed now a little bit. It's on natural speed too. I'm not even pedaling this bike. Bicycle! Bicycle! On my way to Walgreens on Dixie Highway in Florence, Kentucky. Get across this road real quick. Woo! It's a good day to be out riding a bicycle, actually. I'm gonna have to cross the road again up here soon, because up here is where it all becomes intersection, and there ain't no way I'm gonna try to fight against the intersection. No, sir. I'm just gonna get up here real close. Go down this way. Come over here on the sidewalk out. Because even though the car was about to go, I didn't really know what was going on, so cross the road anyways. Whoop. Traveling down the old sidewalk, pavement, sidewalk here, not pavement. Traveling down. Here I go really fast. Not really fast, but sort of fast. Getting ready to travel at Mach 1 speed here. Watch out now, coming through. Bicycle. Whew. Oh yeah. Shada-doo-doo. Oh. It's some small bumps you gotta watch out for. The big ones are no problem. Beep beep. Oh yeah! Get right across that road now. I don't look like I'm gonna have much of a chance though. I don't know, everything is stopped, so I might get a lucky break here somewhere. Let's just check it out, shall we? Yes, it looks like lucky break number 1 coming right up. Woo! Come on, get across that road, boy. Shit. Oh shit. Fuck that. Come to clear this outside. We're not about this shit. I tell you what. Take some leg work getting up this hillside though, huh? You gotta work them legs, man. You gotta pump them pedals, man. You gotta pump them pedals. Woo! You gotta have real powerful legs. Woo! Yes, I made it. Barely. Woo! Shit. Go down the bend now. Woo! I'm gonna pump them pedals. Can't get the action going. Get it. Gotta get it. I know it's pretty shaky, but that's what it's like. Right on his bicycle. It's kind of wobbly view. Kind of shaky. I should be getting to my location really soon here. Maybe even within the next few minutes if nothing goes wrong. possibly be able to get to my destination. Oh yeah. Is this incline? Hair, boy, hair. Get over there. Whew. Kind of wearing down a little bit now. Still getting where I need to go though. It's a little bit of a journey. Oh, everybody seems to be wanting to go this way these days. Oh, shits and kibbles. We're gonna get over here though. We're gonna get over here. We're gonna get across the street. Whew. I done crossed back and forth across the road a good 3 or 4 times. And the video is very, very sickening at times. But that's just the cost of doing business. Sherman Fitness over here at Bank and Main Street. Huh. Getting ready to go past the Stringtown Pawn Shop where they buy gold, silver, and guns. Hello. We're going to start picking up a lot of speed here very soon. I said, ooh, yeah, brother. Let me tell you something. We're going to get where we need to go. I ain't walking nowhere. Fuck that. It ain't that I don't like to walk, but I like to take short journeys for walks. I don't like to do all this walk up to town, walk back to home bullshit. Oh, if I'm going for a walk, it's going to be a short walk. I don't like to walk mileage anymore. I used to walk 20 miles on some days. Back years ago, had to get out and walk from Crittenden all the way up to Williamstown, Kentucky. And it ain't no short distance, that's for damn sure. Unless you in a car. If you ain't in a car, you're shit out of luck. Fuck trying to walk that. You ain't gonna walk that, Hey man, how's it going? Gotta get across this road. I'm gonna see if I can, see if I can't cross it right here. Let's try to get this. Yeah, right up on them curves. Coasting down the street. So that way I don't get hurt. Glass bottle back there broke up on the fucking sidewalk. Insuring a flat tire out of any bike tire when you're riding a bicycle. You always gotta make sure you don't run over any glass or nails or any sharp objects. Any of that garbage. So I'm traveling down this road down here. And what I'm attempting to do is cross this road right here, which will take me down. I have to use my foot as a brake because I could never get brakes to work on this bicycle. It seems to be cursed. So I could never get brakes to work on this bicycle that I'm riding here now. So it's more of a suicide ride that I'm even riding it, you know. I turn around a couple times here so that way I can lose this momentum that is dangerous for crossing this road right here. But it seems to me I got a good way to go here. Just gotta wait for this truck right here. so gracefully, so sweetly. Driving through the plaza, at the plaza. Meow. So I'm gonna turn back around here and see what's up with this lighter on the ground because I like to collect stuff like lighters, especially if they work. Let's see this lighter here. Seems to be empty though. Yeah, there's a reason why it was tossed out on the ground. So I'm gonna keep on going now on my way. Because you never know when you're gonna need a lighter. I mean, you could be going through electrical blackout at nighttime and you might just need a lighter. So that's why I like to pick up lighters on the side of the road or in parking lots or wherever I see them because there's been a lot of times I found lighters that were half full, half empty, whatever you want to call it, and they lasted me for quite a while after I found them and put them to use for me. So yeah, still on my way. Some more broken glass. I just ran over some. Bunch of bullshit. There goes the Walgreens. Going through the parking lot. The UDF. Get ready to turn out up here. Get ready to turn out right here. Cross. I'm gonna have to cross this road again. Damn it. It ain't fair, man. It's a gun store. Boost Mobile. Boost Mobile. Get ready to cross this road right here. Woo! Now truck. Gonna cross this road right here. Bumpity bump. Oh, gotta watch out for that apron, man. It'll fuck you up. Woo! Yeah, you gotta watch out for them aprons. They're tough business trying to get up on there. It'll send you flying, baby. So we reached a dead end over here. I wasn't sure about it because I never traveled it before. So I'm gonna go back out the way I came. Whew. I'll go right in this plaza right here. This store strip right here. They got it all marked off for some reason. I don't know. Don't care. I just gotta get across this street to this Walgreens. Baby. Don't know where the fuck I'm gonna park this bike though. Once I get up here where I'm going, I'm gonna get off in the grass right here. It ain't no sense to me. Go through this whole parking lot. Oh, through the grass. Now I just gotta wait for this traffic to slow down where I can cross this shit. I gotta figure out some place safe for my bicycle to chill and wait for me while I go in here and get this stuff I'm supposed to be getting. Gotta wait for a red light. Red light. It's alright. Waiting on that red light. It's green now. It's green now. I gotta wait for it to turn red. Come on now. Bunch of shit biscuits. Still don't know where I'm gonna park this damn bike. I'm gonna park it somewhere, you know. Still waiting on this damn light to change. Damn light. Do it right. Shit. I ain't never gonna get to this traffic. Never, never, never. Freaking light still ain't turning red. Damn it all to hell. Son of a bitch. Come on now. Just trying to get over there, man. Here goes the red light finally. Now it's turning red for me. See if we can't get across this road. Still don't look like it's gonna happen. Maybe so. Gotta hit that shit. Don't look like I am gonna get. Oh, it's green now. Fuck. Okay. It's green. Go ahead. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go when I can, because it ain't safe to go through there right now. You may try to stop and let me go through, but there's too much traffic coming from the other direction. So I ain't trying that. Hell no. I thought I waved her on through, like, go on. I'll get across here some other time. I ain't trying to go when there's other traffic coming. What do I look like, a stupid ass? Do I look stupid to you? Oh, come on. For the love of Peter, Paul, and Mary. Woo! Take it forever. Get across this road. Help me, Lord. Oh. Son of a bitch. Oh, damn it all. There might be a break right over here at some point. If I could ever make it. No, looking like it's gonna happen. Whew. I'll be back.